Good day guys, and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. Need a virtual card number for a quick online purchase? This year you don't have to wait 10 days for a piece of plastic. And today I'm showing you how to generate a virtual PayPal card instantly through the app so you can start spending your balance or credit line in under 60 seconds. And the fastest way to get a virtual number is the PayPal debit card. So you just open up your app and tap on your balance and look for the Get the Card banner. In this year, approval is near instant with a quick ID check. Then, once approved, you'll see a digital version of your card. So tap the eye icon. So you just tap on the eye icon to reveal your 16-digit number, expiry, and CVV. You can copy this directly to your clipboard or tap Add to Apple/Google Wallet to use it at a physical store immediately. And if you want to spend on credit, look at PayPal Credit. So you just navigate to the Finances and Pay Later tab, apply for a credit line. If approved, PayPal often issues a single-use virtual card for specific purchases, or a permanent virtual number if you're in the UK or the US. And now you've got a secure digital way to pay without sharing your bank info. If this tech tip helped you shop faster today, hit subscribe and ring the bell. See you in the next one.